Gardening on a budget. Garden supplies at Dollar Tree. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. You don't have to spend a lot of money to garden. You can garden on a budget with items at Dollar Tree. So over here they have garden gloves. You can get garden gloves over here and be able to use them to be able to work on the garden. They have grow containers over here that you can use, especially this one over here you can use for seed starting. You have starter pots like these you can use if you want to start seeds. You can use these pots like this to start seeds. They have bigger pots below where you can use them to grow plants in containers. If you tend to grow in containers, they have bigger pots over here, and they have some other stuff down here. They have this watering container over here, and on the left is the gardening tower. If you intend to plant like strawberries and vegetables, you can get gardening towers. And below you have some other stuff over here. You have more gloves and signs over here that you can use to decorate your garden. If you intend to decorate garden, you can buy this stuff and most Dollar Tree stuff are $1.25 now. And over here they have seeds. You can get seeds over here and other seed starting supplies like fertilizers and other stuff over here to start your seeds in the garden, and also be able to grow flowers and vegetables in the garden. Over here they have the rocket. You have the rocket flowers over there. You have more of them down here. You have watering tubes over there. You have some decorating items, decorative items over there. This one right here is a flower rocket. All you need to do is bury this either in the container on your garden, and all the various flowers come out. So if you haven't seen something like this, check out the herb rocket that I did. I have a video that shows you how you can do. It's the same method whether you're planting herbs or you're planting flowers. It's the same way of planting them, and you can get quite a few seeds from them to start your garden. If you love to plant flowers, you can get flowers. In some areas you might find herbs. Over here they have decor, garden decor, spring decor stuff that you can decorate your garden with, signs and other stuff, flags. You can decorate your garden with. Let me know in the comments below if you shopped garden items at Dollar Tree before. Let me know in the comments what you like the most at Dollar Tree for gardening. I've used a couple of items here from Dollar Tree before for gardening, like the shovels and the other tools, but they have quite a few different things that you can use for gardening that you can use. Especially, let me show you some of them that I have. They have over here. These are clips over here, and they have some nice shovels over here. Let me show you. There's a new one over here that you can. This is a nice little hand tool that you can use either to plant or to dig. They have different sizes and different shapes. That this one probably for planting, and this one is like raking and weeding out stuff. And they have even different hoses down here for $1.25. That is cheap hose. Even those might not be as good as the ones that you get at the expensive stores, but you can still get good quality stuff over here, like clips over here and the scissors. They have the fertilizer over here. I think this fertilizer is $5, or this potting mix that they have over here is $5. So most of the items that you see over here are $1.25, but they are starting to get different things that are more expensive. I'll show you that later on in a few, but they have more containers over here that you can use. And these are trays that you put underneath your grow pots up there, and they have more grow containers over here. If you love to grow in containers, you can grow in containers like this. They have flags and decorative items that you can use to decorate your garden or your yard. So all these things are $1.25 for each, which is not bad. Good deal. To if you intend to garden on a budget, they have quite a few different things that you can get. Some stores might not be the same. They might not have the same. Dollar Tree in your area might not have the same things, but most Dollar Trees have similar items. So if there's any particular thing that you see here that you don't find in your local Dollar Tree, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know what they carry in your area. So over here they have some other items, decorative items, and other items that you can use in the garden. You can see that they have even the gauge and the other stuff that they have over here, little creatures and little decorative plates over here that you could use to decorate the garden or your walkway or outdoor. And they have little decorative items down here too. So they have quite a few different things for gardeners. So hopefully this you find something here that interests you. Over here, let me show you. They have a new section that's called Dollar Tree Plus. These items are a little bit more expensive than your other items that you find in other areas. And you can see they have some containers over here and the pots. These ones are a little bit more expensive than your regular ones that we just saw a few minutes ago, but they still have some good stuff here that you can get. They have tools. You can see the prices of the tools. These ones are $3. You have hose here for $3. Spray nozzle here for $3. They have some decorative items all up here, and same thing, you have more decorative items over here, and all these are $3 and above. So this is called the Dollar Tree Plus. So I guess they are more high-end, a little bit more high-end expensive items. They have hose here. Also you can get a hose. You can get different items over here for a little bit more expensive than you get over there. These are grow pots over here are also much durable and look much better than the other ones we saw over there, and they are a little bit more expensive than the ones we saw over there. So I guess they are transitioning to getting more expensive stuff to attract maybe people that are looking for something with a little bit more quality. You can also find them here at Dollar Tree. So definitely you have a good variety of items over here that you can use for the yard or the outdoor. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment below, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel or follow me for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.